Lorex is always innovating with its ultra-high quality security cameras, and the LNB8973 is no exception. The 8973 features a matte black exterior coating and is built from aero-space grade aluminum. The camera can be installed indoors or outdoors and both vertically and horizontally. Let's look at how to install on an exterior brick wall. Available from Lorex is a wall mount junction box which can house all the wiring and is pre-drilled for all the mounting bolts, model S1J F2G. It is available in black and gray. Remove the front plate of the junction box by loosening the 4 Allen bolts. Remove the rubber stopper. Run the camera wiring harness through the front of the junction box. The rubber stopper has a small slit. This allows you to slide the camera cable onto the rubber stopper. Insert the camera cables into the front of the mount, then slide the cable and the rubber stopper onto the front of the mount. Align the camera mounting plate to the junction box front plate so that the holes line up. Attach the provided hex bolts and secure the camera mount onto the junction mount front plate. Once you have drilled a hole to the exterior and run the supplied Ethernet cable, you need to install the wall anchors to the brick. Then affix the junction box body to the wall using the supplied screws. Now connect the cabling to the camera and gently push the bundle of cables into the junction box. Align the front plate with camera attached onto the junction box and retighten the 4 Allen bolts. The angle of the camera can be adjusted with the set screw. Adjust the downward and outward angle accordingly. Retighten the set screw. The LNB8973 delivers crisp, clean images in day and night. Infrared LEDs illuminate the entrance at night, and when an external light is turned on, the camera switches to color mode and provides a clear image. The 8973 allows the user to remotely zoom into the frame via the NVR. This provides a variety of viewing options from a very close image to a wider image depending upon your needs. The LNB8973 from Lorex provides professional quality images with a build quality that will deliver surveillance for many years.